Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences with the product. Today we're exploring ScoreAssist, found at https://www.scoreassist.com, a resource designed to help improve your credit score. While there are many similar services available, ScoreAssist differentiates itself through a combination of personalized guidance, educational resources, and direct dispute resolution support. They claim to empower users to understand and take control of their credit health, moving beyond simply monitoring credit reports to actively addressing negative impacts. One of the key features advertised by ScoreAssist is their team of credit experts. They offer individualized advice and action plans tailored to each user's specific credit situation. This goes beyond automated recommendations. They seem to emphasize human interaction and personalized strategies. Furthermore, ScoreAssist promises to provide users with the knowledge and tools they need to navigate the complexities of credit repair. Their educational materials aim to empower users to proactively manage their credit and make informed decisions. A particularly appealing aspect of ScoreAssist is their dispute resolution service. They assist users in identifying potentially inaccurate or unfair items on their credit reports and guide them through the process of disputing these items with the credit bureaus. This hands-on approach can be invaluable for those who feel overwhelmed by the complexities of credit disputes. It also represents a significant time saver for those who might otherwise struggle to navigate the bureaucratic process. While the specifics of pricing and service packages aren't always clearly outlined on their website, the initial consultation appears to be free, allowing potential users to discuss their credit concerns and explore how ScoreAssist might be able to help. This is a helpful first step in determining whether the service aligns with your needs and budget. It's also worth noting that ScoreAssist emphasizes the importance of building long-term healthy credit habits, rather than quick fixes. Overall, ScoreAssist presents itself as a comprehensive solution for individuals seeking to improve their credit scores. By combining personalized guidance, educational resources, and direct dispute resolution support, they aim to provide users with the tools and knowledge necessary to achieve their credit goals. If you're struggling to manage your credit or just looking for ways to improve your score, ScoreAssist might be worth checking out. Remember to do your own research and compare it with other available options to determine the best fit for your individual circumstances.